Welcome to our tour of the African Pride Melrose Arch Hotel, located in a vibrant and trendy Melrose Arch neighborhood of Johannesburg, South Africa. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more hotel tours like this one. This detailed sculpture depicting two African musicians greets all guests as they enter the hotel. It's important to make a great first impression, which this entrance certainly does. You can help yourself to some infused water at the lobby, which was very refreshing. The designers went into great detail on every aspect of this hotel, as you can see by this flower mural spanning several stories. We are at the African Pride Hotel, Melrose Arch, in Johannesburg, at room 429. Let's check out our suite. Alright, this suite is ginormous, and it has a king-size bed, and it has this wall of cabinets. So let's see what's in this wall. There's a pillow, some robes, iron, some slippers. Let's see what's on the next wall. Just a storage closet. Here is the TV, and there's a fridge in here. Here's some art. And some more storage. So there is the bed. And we got some gifts from the hotel. So some chocolates and a rubber ducky. And a letter for Beverly because she's Titanium Elite and they upgraded us to this room. There's some water that they provide for us. And there's some coffee. They look like Nespresso pods. There's a kettle and some tea and stuff for your coffee. Here's the sitting area and two chairs, this table, and a little office area with a mirror. And it has a light here. Let's turn it on. There we go. There's the lights for the office. And we have a view of the outside. There's a ton of restaurants and shops here. So this is a very nice and safe neighborhood. Let's check out the view from this side. Yeah, see all the restaurants. And now we will check out the bathroom. Here's another rubber ducky. You get to take that home, I guess. Here's the bathtub. It's a single sink bathroom, but it's high ceiling, so it makes it feel really spacious. Here's their products, their shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. There's a rainfall shower and the toilet. And here's a phone in here if you need anything while you're sitting in a toilet. The hotel staff dropped off some desserts and a bottle of beer to welcome us. Breakfast was complimentary and is located at the hotel's restaurant on the first floor. Continental buffet is included, as well as one a la carte item. The selection included different types of meat and cheese, pastries, and various fruits. I ordered the Eggs Benedict, which was delicious. Here's a look at the pool bar, which was empty since it was still early in the morning. Doesn't this space look so peaceful and relaxing with all the plants surrounding the area? You can have drinks at these tables that are placed on the water. There are more seats by the grass area, which is highlighted by this huge mirror. In the evening, we took a stroll around the Melrose Arch neighborhood. It's very vibrant at night with many people out to eat dinner at the plethora of restaurants in the area. We settled for the grill house, which served, you guessed it, grilled food. If you've never tried ostrich medallions before, you should definitely try it when you're in Africa. We also enjoyed this huge seafood platter. For dessert, we had ice cream with whiskey and coffee, kind of a weird combination. Overall, we had a great stay at the African Pride Melrose Arch Hotel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.